Love you, boo. Good morning, guys. Hi, I'm Star. I am here riding an electric skateboard called Roland, and we are going out to the store. I would like to say thank you to my 21 subscribers. Thank you so much. We could probably make more. Woohoo! Let's see. It's 60 degrees. It feels nice. Sun's out. I've been under the fucking weather. Oops. We are going to the store. Going to the store. Planning to go to Albertsons. But yeah. I'll come back and talk to you guys even more. Because I think I cannot ride with the electric skateboard while I have my while I'm recording, I guess. I don't know. Let's see. But yeah, it's real nice. Woohoo! Alright. Let's go meet at the store. We are almost at the store. It's taking me a minute. Woohoo! It's really nice outside. I've been under the weather. I've been under the weather for 2 weeks now. Pretty much. But yeah, it's really nice out. We are here at Albertsons. For anybody here, which is great. Hi.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know where I could get light bulbs?
Light bulb?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, where's light bulbs at? Number 19.
Thank you. Right. Light bulbs. 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. Light bulbs. I want some LED light bulbs. LEDs. How many light bulbs? I need 2. LED, white, soft. No, I want it bright. 1. 2. I don't know anything about light bulbs. Daylight, LEDs. Put 2 packs.
Yes, they do. Never mind.
LEDs, daylight, 2 packs. So brights, it should be bright. Oh, let's see. Hi, can I have a handful of potato wedges? And that's it? A handful of potato wedges? And that'll be all? A little bit more. Thank you. You too. I'm doing great. How are you? Alright, I gotta get myself in order. Hold on. Okay, we are gonna go back home. And then I will get back to you because honestly it's dangerous for me to be riding with the skateboard while I'm on the fucking phone. Whoosh. I am riding an electric skateboard called Viril. Viril? Yes, Viril. With a V? Viril. Viril. I'm going full throttle on the first gear because I'm not too experienced with going fast. But yes, I would like to say thank you so much for that 21 subscribers. Thank you so much. You guys are giving me so much hope. Keep subscribing for more and more. When I seen 21 subscribers, I was so excited. I wish I recorded, but oh my god, I had a major headache and I had sinus infection. Oh my god, like literally, oh my god, because I was crying. A sinus infection could cause that. But whatever, I'm over it already. Okay. What's up, guys? We are here, Roland with Star. This is gonna be our studio, and we're gonna make a lamp. So let's see what we can do. only 5'2". I'm wearing Nikes with True Legion pants.